In this exercise tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do an oblique crunch. Now, firstly, there's lots of different variations of this, so I'm going to cover variation or version 1 in this exercise tutorial. Now, I'm using a mat here. You don't have to use one, but I would recommend it for comfort. Now, firstly, I'm going to come into a position where my feet are hip width apart. You'll notice here that I've got a bend in the knee. I'm going to come all the way back under control and make sure that my feet are planted onto the floor. Next, bring your hands behind your head and your elbows out. In this position, what you're going to do is put one ankle over your knee. Doesn't matter which one you do first because you'll be doing both sides. So I've put here my left ankle over my right knee. Now, when I do my repetitions, I'm not only going to be crunching up, but I'm going to be crunching across the body like so. So up and across the body, up and across the body. So my elbow is coming into a position where it is coming across towards my left knee. If I was doing the opposing side, I would do exactly the same, but my left elbow now is going to crunch up and across to the right knee. Coming back down, up, and across to the right knee. Each repetition, I'm trying to keep that lower back completely on the floor. If you notice that even in this laying position, your lower back is arching, what I would do is I'd pop a pillow underneath the head just to prop you up a little bit. That way you'll start in this position and then it's going to be a little bit easier to keep that lower back down. You'd repeat the same amount of repetitions on one side and do exactly the same on the other side. And make sure, especially if you're someone that's susceptible to neck pain, when you've got your hands behind your head, make sure the whole weight of your head is in your hands. So you should be completely weightless with the neck. All of the crunch and rotation should be coming from the core, and you shouldn't be feeling neck stress or neck pain. That's how to do the first version or variation of an oblique crunch.